What is up, everybody? It is the real Linux gamer here, because Gardner Bryant, last time I checked, hasn't posted anything Linux gaming related in quite some time. So here we are talking about Linux gaming. All right, and we have a special guest today, Castile. Thank you for coming
What's
in.
hey, what's up?
So you don't want to use Linux, but you think so highly of it, correct? Correct? You're just afraid to use it?
Well, I'm not afraid. I don't know. I'm fine with my current
Oh,
OS.
okay, why? Why wouldn't you want to? I don't like Windows. I like breaking them. Anyway, so sorry guys, I haven't posted in quite some time. I'm not gonna go too much into detail, but I've been dealing with my fiance. My fiance has been dealing with a dispute related to a specific dispute. I'm not gonna go too much into detail with it, but I've been handling that. We've been doing wedding planning, and there's been a few other things that have just been keeping me from making videos. I won't go into too much detail, but I'm going to point out something. So, uh, I've noticed that there was an issue with the application Mangohud, which is basically a CPU and GPU temperature monitor for your games. So, for example, when you play a game, it's just the little, not the little, the thing that hangs in the top left corner and just measures your GPU temperatures, how much VRAM you're using, or how much system RAM you're using, and such and such. So as we could see, it's working now. We can see that the VRAM is displaying and how much we're using, but prior to this, there was an issue with the application not properly displaying video RAM for games running through DXVK or VKD3D. So there's actually a way to resolve this, and I'm just going to show you really quick where the issue comes about. Typically, you would install it either through Synaptic or you'd use the Pop Shop. So as you can see, both Mango HUD and G Overlay, which is the graphical front end to change your settings, are available in Synaptic. If you go to Pop Shop, it's going to just be G Overlay, and because G Overlay depends on uh, a Mango HUD, in this case, it would just auto install Mango HUD. So because of that, whatever package is running in the Ubuntu repository for Pop! OS, it's not allowing people to actually see how much video RAM or how much of their GPU percentage is being used, or even how many hertz and clock it's using. So there's actually a way to get around this issue, and it's actually just as simple as going to the GitHub page for Mango HUD and G Overlay, which I will provide both of these links in the description. So what you're going to do is literally just copy and paste these lines of code into the terminal for Ubuntu, Pop! OS, or any other distribution that may be a derivative of Ubuntu, such as Elementary OS, or I believe Zorin OS is another one. And it'll run. You'll press enter. It'll add this repository. You'll click sudo apt update and then sudo apt install Mango HUD. From there, we will be able to actually monitor our GPU temperature again when running DXVK or its successor VKD3D. Now, one of the things that I actually did notice when running the version from GitHub was it was just a little thing that I found weird. It was not displaying the proper version of VKD3D, like it was displaying version 1.2 when I was running Proton Experimental, which should have been DKV3D or VKD3D 2.5. So that's a little bit of a bug there, but I don't really know if that's because I'm running on a Ubuntu distribution or if it's just a glitch in Mango HUD that needs to be fixed over time. But for another day, I guess that's another topic. But if you want to get to monitoring your GPU temperatures while on an Ubuntu based distribution, this is the way to do it, and I'll provide these links in the description. All right, well, that covers it for today. Thanks. Have a nice day.